In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install KeePass. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with KeePass installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the KeePass download page. And I will be downloading the MSI package that you see in the bottom of the page here. I will click on the link. And we need to wait a bit for it to start downloading. And now I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and I will go to my downloads folder. And here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will double click on the template file. It opens up with NuGet package explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools, then I will click on add existing file, and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I will double click on Chocolatey install and then on the edit button right here. And then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that is responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that, it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy the snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go back to my package and insert the snippet here. And for this snippet to work, we need to provide few values. For example, here we need to provide our installation file name. So for that, I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select rename. I will select full name to include the extension, right click again and copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. Now for the package name, I will enter KeePass. Then for file type, I will enter MSI because our installation file has a .msi extension. And also we need silent switches because we want Chocolatey to perform the installation silently. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have all the silent switches that I will be using. So I will click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the silent switches here. And that's it for this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back. And now I need to provide few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For package ID, I will enter KeePass. Then for the version number, I will enter 2.55. We can see the version number on the installation file name. For the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation. And for the description, I will enter KeePass package. And that's it. Now we can save the values by clicking on the button here. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. And I will also be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will be trying to install this package. So let's click on the button Save. And now let's try to install the package. And for that, I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install the software. And now to execute the installation, I will type choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID, and you can see the package ID here in the package. So let's enter KeePass. Then because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. If I minimize my Chrome window, we can see KeePass on my desktop. I will double click on it. I will click enable here, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.